Look back for a moment. The last time you made a wrong decision, begged in front of someone, or broke down crying, what was the real reason? Was it your brain? No. It was your emotions. Since childhood, we've been given a false programming. Follow your heart. Share your feelings. Let me tell you a bitter truth. Society wants you to stay emotional. Do you know why? Because emotional people are the easiest to control. Someone who is afraid can be threatened. Someone who is blind in love can be fooled. But a person who doesn't feel cannot be defeated. Today, I'm going to give you 10 dark psychology secrets that the most powerful people in history, kings, samurai, warriors, have used for thousands of years to turn their hearts into stone. But before the video begins, one final warning, this path is one way. Once you understand these secrets, you will never be able to return to your old version. The way you see the world will change forever. If you are ready to pay that price, this video is for you. Fact 1. The third-person glitch. The biggest reason for your suffering is that you own your pain. When something hurts, what do you think? I am sad. I am angry. That is your biggest mistake. The moment you use the word each, you identify yourself with the emotion. You turn it into your identity. The dark secret to break this is dissociation. Next time someone hurts you or you face rejection, step outside your body and observe. Imagine you are playing a video game. Your body is just a character on the screen. Instead of saying, I am hurt, say your own name in your mind. It may sound strange, but psychologically, this activates your prefrontal cortex and calms the amygdala, the emotional center. You stop being a victim. You become an observer. And an observer never cries. He only collects data. Secret hash 2. The biological override. Have you ever noticed, when you're angry or afraid, your breathing speeds up, your hands start shaking? Science says this. Emotions don't go from the brain to the body. Body signals tell the brain what to feel. If you hack the body, the brain gets confused and emotions begin to shut down. This technique is called box breathing, used by special forces and snipers to control their bodies under extreme pressure whenever panic, anger, or tears hit. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds. When you forcibly slow your breathing, the brain stops sending panic signals. Remember, an emotionless person is not someone who never feels emotions, but someone who chokes them the moment they appear. Secret hash 3. The gray rock method. People can only hurt you as long as they get a reaction from you. Narcissists, bullies, toxic people, they are emotional vampires. Their food is your anger, your tears, your reactions. The solution? Ignore them. No, ignoring makes them scream louder. The real solution, become a gray rock, a lifeless stone. No facial expressions, a completely monotone voice. One word responses only. Fine, they insult you, okay. When you stop supplying reactions, they get confused, they get bored, and they leave. Secret hash 4. Relationships are not emotions, they are calculations. Weak people maintain relationships with their hearts. Powerful people evaluate relationships. Every relationship is a transaction. Ask one question for every person in your life. What value is this person adding? Peace? Growth? Connections? If a relationship only creates drama, stress, and wasted time, cut it off. Kings don't have friends. They have allies. Secret hash 5. The 3-second pause. The 3-second pause. Between stimulus and response, there is a space. That space is your power. Don't react. Wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. That moment separates an animal from a human. Secret hash 6. Semantic reframing words create emotions. Lion destroyed cross mark and me attempt failed white heavy check. Mark of my heart is broken. Cross mark. He made a wrong calculation. White heavy check mark remove the drama. Keep only the facts. Secret hash 7. Pain is just data. Pain is not a problem. It's a signal. Jealousy? You want something? Work harder. Loneliness? Upgrade your social skills. Anxiety? You are unprepared. Prepare. Decode pain. Don't drown in it. Secret hash 8. Zero expectation policy. The root of all suffering. Expectations. Do the work. Detach from the result. Like a sniper. Fire the shot and don't cry over the outcome. Secret hash 9. Memento mori, remember, you are going to die. 100 years from now, this moment will be 0. When the entire house is burning, why mourn a picture falling from the wall? Secret hash 10. The void state, empty yourself. 20 minutes of absolute silence. No past, no future. When there is nothing inside, nothing outside can collide. Oh, day. You don't become stone. You become air. What cannot be touched cannot be broken. The final truth, being emotionless, does not mean suppressing emotions. It means not being a slave to them, becoming the master. The remote control should be in your hands, not in anyone else's.